In the shallows of the Okavango Delta, where little fish hide, it takes a specialist hunter to try and catch them. Black egrets, distinct by their grey legs and yellow feet, have really come up with an interesting way of trapping and catching these little fish. They are otherwise known as umbrella birds, making a dome shape with their wings as they step through the shallows. It filters the light and gives them good access to see into the water where the fish are, and also fish are drawn to dark areas of vegetation cover or lily pads, for example. And in forming the umbrella and creating that shade, fish that are scattered by its approach head for those dark areas and take refuge right underneath the trap that has been set. It's an incredible adaptation that these birds have learned to hunt. It's an interesting behavior and quite effective and quite efficient. They do seem to catch a lot of fish. Several here taken little minnows, and this slightly bigger, almost tilapia looking fish was a prize catch for this black egret. These birds are generally in huge flocks. This one we found alone and really gave us an opportunity to get really close to him. Lots of birds means lots of skittish animals, and they're very difficult to approach. He flitted about, stepping from side to side in a very rhythmic kind of pattern, moving from one section to the other, and almost over time covering the entire area of clear water that he had, before finally coming close, having a good look at me and taking off and flying away.